This is my Leaper Messenger bag. So this is a crossover shoulder style bag in kind of a navy and brown, very much utilitarian looking colors. So these straps up front here actually have magnets in them, so really helps keep it closed. And just tons of compartments in it, so lots of places to store your pens or whatever it is you are bringing with you, perhaps paperwork, etc. I know for me, I love using this bag for my schoolwork, so I like to keep lots of like paperwork, pens, pencils, and then my laptop or tablet in there, whichever it is that I'm planning to take with me. If you are planning to bring some larger electronics with you, it will fit a slim laptop up to about 13 inches and will fit a tablet of 10 inches in there as well. So depending on which size you're getting. My laptop is about 12 inches, so it fits in there no problem, and it actually helps prevent me from overfilling the bag. Oftentimes, if I have too big of a bag, I will just put way too much stuff in it, so I like that this one's just smaller in design and prevents me from putting things that I don't actually need in there. So a few different ways you can wear it. You can see I've just kind of adjusted it to over my shoulder or single shoulder and without it being crossbody. But yeah, definitely recommend it. Check it out.